So we will be requesting everyone to please stay for a while for our awarding ceremonies and of course for our raffle draws.
Yes, Mr. Soriano. What time is the raffle draw again, Mr. Soriano?
It's for me to keep it for you to find out. So of course very soon if you stay here for a while, you might win. Again, presence is required. So alam mo ni Mikel na yung bike na ipaparaffle natin with wings to. Bike with wings.
Wow, I could definitely be using that bike to go to school every day, huh?
Meron din yung Wi-Fi built in.
One side.
Pero ba nagiging curious na sila? Nasama na ng tingin nila sa bike. Okay, so please wait for our grand raffle draw in a short while. And of course, let's keep on supporting our players, our football stars.
Dre! Salang Bray! Sa pa Bray!
So we still have
Ready Bray, ready!
for the Coffee Bean and Tea Leaf limited bag. So one more. So our winner for this Coffee Bean and Tea Leaf bag is Alexia Kingston James King. Alexia Kingston.
Yeah! Shake hands! Miss ka! Shake hands! Shake hands! Shake hands!